This is not financial advice. This is not legal advice. For entertainment and educational purposes only, and everything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. That being said, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff, so you get the videos I put them out, see what I'm thinking, see how I'm analyzing the data. Listen, AMC beat expectations, but of course, the FUD articles came out all negative, but that's what they do. We've grown accustomed to that. Adam Aaron has said that high growth mining is doing great, but we already knew that. He also said that the AMC credit card, the AMC branded credit card should be out first quarter next year. He's hoping that the AMC branded popcorn, the microwave, and the ready-made popcorn should be ready by first quarter of 2023. And I thought it was a good earnings report. He said as the CEO of a public company, he can't really speak too much about what's going on in the market, about the malfeasance, about the corruption that everybody else sees. And I kind of understand that because, he has his words, can make a big difference and maybe leave the company open to legal liability. So I guess that's why he can't really say too much. And then on top of that, I think he can do more. Okay? I think that he can do more. He could have hired Share Intel to get a share count, because I spoke with Share Intel probably about maybe a year ago by now. Man, the time flies. I spoke to Share Intel like a year ago, and Share Intel had the technology to find out exactly how many real shares and exactly how many counterfeit shares there are out there. So, and he said that, he's the biggest shareholder of AMC, and he watches his portfolio go down because of AMC stock. But I think his focus is on the long term of AMC, which is great. But I believe he could do more. That's what I'm going to say. I'm not going to get too deep into it, but I think he can do more. But overall, I think it was a good earnings report. I think there's a lot of positive catalysts. And I believe if any other stock would be doing what AMC is doing, beating analyst expectations, sitting on over $1 billion in cash, this stock would be trading at their fair market value. And I believe the fair market value of AMC should be between $30 and $35. So the only reason, like I say every day, the only reason that we're at the price we are now is because of the fraud, the corruption, the criminality in the market. And the thing is, they don't even try to hide it anymore because there's no consequences for their bad actions. They break the law. They rob retail investors. They rob pension funds. We pay the SEC to protect the interests of retail investors, to protect the interests of pension funds. We pay them for a fair and transparent market. But do we get that? No, we don't get that. The SEC refuses to do the job that we pay them to do. They have breached their contract with the American people, and they need to be held accountable. I mean, that's really the bottom line. That is my personal opinion. Please don't make any financial legal decision based on anything I say in these videos. Anyway, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm, and tell me what you think about the earnings report if you listened in. I thought it was positive. Like I said before, I think Adam Aaron could do more. But I am confident we're going to MOASS. I am confident that AMC is going to go to the moon, and we're going to see attendees because their liquidity is drying up. And all their long positions are worth a whole lot less. So the margin calls are coming, the forced liquidations, then they'll be forced to cover all their shorts. Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.